Okay, so a lot of people, even myself, when I do the inspections, I find that there are, some water spots and some water stains that are present on the surface of the ceramic coating. This is normal, guys. This is going to happen. When water evaporates, once again, it leaves a chemical, if there's any chemicals in the water, it's there, it dries on the surface, and it leaves a stain. But the good thing about the ceramic coatings is it's not going to etch your clear coat where you need to machine polish it. It's going to be a simple way of getting this stuff off of here. It's an inexpensive chemical. So pretty much in your arsenal for your ceramic coated vehicle, you have your OCNR that I give you. And then also I'm probably going to start just giving away the IGL Delete as well. And the Delete is it's a chemical formula that eats away at all of the deposits that are left in in water. Now if it's if there's petroleums and things like that may vary, Delete may not be the chemical to do it, but for like normal rain and just if you out there washing it and the water dries and stuff like that on the surface, for the most part this IGL Delete is going to get this off. So I'm going to show you what you see there. This is some water staining. It is a metallic finish, but I can see it. This is some water staining here. So the simple thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my IGL Delete. I'm going to get this nice and wet, and I'm going to apply it on here. And this is the only time that I will do a circular motion and any kind of application on the vehicle. And while I'm doing that, you can see it disappearing. And then what I do is, instead of just wiping that, I'll spray this with OCNR, because it is kind of a tacky like chemical. And then I'll come behind and I will wipe. And now our water stains are gone. So when you have the problematic water stains, there is the solution on the ceramic coating. Sorry, it's not completely dry, but now you can see. I need that streak to actually wipe away. And now you see just the metallic finish, and it didn't do any damage to the actual clear coat. And ate the stains off. And then if we move over here, you can see the difference. You can see a little bit of color change as well, because the water stains actually leave a lighter tint on the surface. But yeah, water stains, no water stains, and it's just the metallic flake. So yeah, simple method of getting rid of it where you don't need to machine polish them off, because without a ceramic coated vehicle, most likely the water stains, if you've left them there for a period of time, especially in this Louisiana heat, boom, they start etching into the clear coat, and you have to break out a machine, or I have to break out a machine for you and start cutting into the clear coat to level it out. So I just wanted to show you guys as a reminder. I tell all my clients this. It's very easy to maintain these ceramic coatings. You just really have to know how to do it. It's a new technology. It's not like wax and seal. Some people are like, well, why do I spend all this money and I got to do something to take care of it? As I said, they're not indestructible, but there are ways that you have to maintain these coatings. It's just something new. And most people kind of hate doing new things, but as technology changes, our learning curve is always going to be there, and doing the maintenance. Really simple, guys. I'm going to continue on this, and stay tuned.